You're going too fast.
Slow down! Help! Help me! Hi! I'm slipping! Oh my god! Gotcha!
Pull! The train is malfunctioning. Got it. I fixed it.
Are you alright? I'm a bit dizzy, but I'm okay. That was scary.
If we didn't catch you, who knows what could have happened?
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
I need to get this train fixed. I'm gonna take it in for repairs.
Welcome to the Sweet Treat Station. We've made an unscheduled stop for a sweet surprise. Feel free to get off and enjoy some ice cream.
Ice cream!
Ice cream's the coolest. Let's go get some. Hi guys.
Hi!
Ice cream? Is that chocolate flavor? Actually, it's chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla with a cherry on top. Cool, 3 flavors.
Where are you heading?
To the bouncy castle. We better get going.
A new train has arrived.
All aboard! I'll take you to the bouncy castle. Let's get cracking.
Today, the train is going to get all topsy-turvy. Get ready, cause I'm here to bring the silliness and the mayhem that would make everyone and everything go bonkers. Minus!
What do you want? We have places to go.
I'm here for you!
Me? But I'm...
I don't care! Whoa!
What? What's going on?
I've subtracted you out of existence! Give her back! If you want her, come and get her! The train is speeding up! Does anybody know how to drive a train? No! So what are we going to do?
Look, there's a split in the path.
Oh no! We're going the wrong way!
Oh no, 13's in trouble.
Jump! I'm not so sure if I can make it.
Hurry, just jump.
That was a close one.
You almost didn't make the jump.
Quick! We need to use our digital map to locate Minus and number 19. According to her trajectory and the location of Minus's lair, we can safely assume she is taking 19 here, on the coordinate grid.
You are going to have to go through the portal.
A coordinate grid? What's that? A coordinate grid is like a big map with little boxes that helps us find places by using 2 lines, like a special address. One line is for going left and right, and the other line is for going up and down. It's like a treasure map to find things.
Got it. That means numbers 5 and 7 should take this mission.
There's the portal. Go in while you still have a chance. Yay! Yes! Uh-oh. That was a close one. I got a swing. And into the door I go. Let's head on in. Where's that voice coming from?
In order for you to get across, you must count down in 2s. Let's see if you can make it to the end.
Well, that was creepy. I guess I better get started. The number I'm on now is 10. So which number comes before 10? 8. And after 8 is 3. What? So if it's not 3, then what is it? If I count in 2s going up, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I need to count down to reach the end. 6. And next is... Wow! 4. And last is 2. Now to save 19. Whoa! This is cool! Oh no! Spiders! Watch out! I'm supposed to count backwards from 10 to 1. 10! 9! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! 1! I did it! We made it! Hey! How did you get here? It doesn't matter!
We're taking our friend back.
Whoa! A key!
Thanks, guys.
You've won this time, but next time I'll win. The portal!
Let's go.
Look! There's a dead end! If we don't stop, we're going to fall.
We're doomed!
We need 19 and the others now!
We're going down! This is the end! Yeah! They're back!
This train is going way too fast. We're here!
Thanks, 19!
No problem.